I've been teaching IELTS for around 5 years now, mostly to university students. I would describe my classroom environment as being quite relaxed. I consider myself as being quite friendly, and I like to build a good rapport with all the students in the classroom. They will feel more comfortable to make mistakes and to improve, and they will also feel comfortable to support each other, but we're also learning and improving together. I would describe my methodology as being quite student-centered. I get the students to do activities with their partner or in groups, and I like to mix it up so students can interact with other students, can learn vocabulary from each other, and it also helps to build their confidence. Confidence is very important for building fluency to talk in the speaking test, but for the other skills as well, because something like listening or reading, if students do not feel confident in those skills, when they come to do the exam, they can feel too much pressure, and this can really affect their performance. There's no simple way to learn to do something quickly. Like if you're learning to ride a bicycle or you're learning to play football, it takes practice. And that's the same for IELTS and learning English. So you need to practice, you need to put the effort in, you need to try your best and not just do the minimum required, but you have to try to ask yourself questions and push yourself to learn more. First of all, I would like to say thank you for choosing KTDC. I think it's a great choice. We have great facilities, we have great teachers. If you choose to study with me, I think that is also a great choice. I will do my best to guide you, support you, answer your questions, and create an environment where you can learn. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Become more confident in using English. Hopefully you will enjoy your study here.